Hey everybody, it's Leslie from Midlife and Nailing It. I'm super glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am going to be making some grilled chicken fajitas. When I make grilled chicken fajitas, which happens to be my absolute very favorite meal in the whole wide world, I put absolutely everything on the grill. So most of it is self-explanatory, but I'm going to go ahead and film kind of how I do it. And then I'm going to, I think, do the music thing this time around. Because I feel like you ladies and gentlemen that watch me will get the gist of it. And maybe it'll inspire you to grill up some chicken fajitas. I even throw the tortillas on. It's a quick, easy meal. And like I said, it's my absolute favorite meal. And if I could eat it 2 or 3 times a week, I probably would. This is part of a barbecue hop hosted by Domestic Diva. I will put a link to her channel in my description box below. Also, her video is the video you're going to want to hop to. I'll put a link to that video in my description box below. So when my video is over, hop right over to her video, and then you'll hop to the next person, then the next person, and you'll just hop right along. Okay guys, so I beat the heck out of the chicken until it was about a 1/2 inch thick. I just want to make sure, you know, enough of it has that grill taste, and we're going to do a marinade in a minute. I've got it on paper towel here because I do want to make sure it's patted dry, so that's what I'm doing now. So I just moved my peppers and onion into this little casserole dish just to transport it to the grill. It was in the big bowl, but I decided to use that for my chicken. After patting the chicken dry, I went ahead and I've got it in this big bowl. And then I'm over here about to just make up and marinade. But looking at it, it's about a 1/2 cup of olive oil, which is my oil of choice. You can use whatever oil you want. Good base for any sort of marinade. I'm going to go ahead and peel and dice up my garlic cloves. I've got 4 here. You could use powder, salt, a couple of cloves, more cloves than 4, whatever the heck you want. And so I'm going to do that now. Alright guys, so I've got my garlic all minced up. I didn't show you this part because I have in numerous videos how I my process of peeling and chopping up garlic. So maybe I'll try to find one of those videos and link it below in case you want to see how I do that. Yeah, I guess I'll do that. I'll throw my my healthy taco video down below if you want to see kind of how I do that process. All right guys, so I am just adding my garlic to my olive oil here. So I am just squeezing a lime in here. I cut it in half using my little squeezer. I'm going to do both sides. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt and of course some pepper to your taste. Just gonna give this a little bit of a stir. So I am just gonna pour this all over my chicken, and then I'm gonna take a meat fork and kind of stab my chicken. I can't say that. I was gonna say I beat my chicken, but I don't know. I don't know if that's... well, y'all know how Randy and I are. I don't know if I'll leave that part in or not. We're like 10-year-old 5th graders. We can't handle life. No, we cannot. And then I'm just gonna like flip my chicken all around and make sure it's all coated in the marinade that I made like super well. And set it aside. I don't know, we'll probably let this marinate about 15 minutes or so. And then Randy will be taking over because he's gonna grill this. He's gonna grill all the peppers and onion, and he's gonna grill up the tortilla shells. So this is gonna be a joint effort. Although Randy will take all the credit since he's cooking. That's what he does.
I do all the heavy lifting.
That's what he does. If ever, one time I had everything all out and in the chili pot, like ready to go, had all the stuff on the side to add, and so he came in and just, you know, dumped the cans in and did the other throwing in of things, and he took the credit, guys.
That was the very first
Babe,
Roadhouse
you put
meal.
it on, he put it on Facebook pictures and said he made chili.
I did.
It was my recipe. I got everything ready. All he did was throw it in the pot.
Listen, little red hen.
I am not a little...
I did plenty of work, and I will enjoy the spoils of it.
All right, guys, Randy's taking over. Enjoy the last bit of this video.
Okay, so we've moved things out to the Roadhouse, out to the grill, and we've got everything spread across the grill. Over here we've got our chicken, and of course we've got our vegetables. And I like to use the old mantra here, low and slow. So that's what I'm going to do. I kind of turn my grill down, and I'm just going to let it cook here. I'm going to close the lid and let it go for a little while, and I'm going to try and only flip the chicken one time. Now at the end I'll probably flip it a few times, but mainly one time I want to do a flip. Okay, everything's shaping up pretty good, and I'm going to go ahead and flip this chicken.
Alright guys, so we're serving this up rustic style. We've got the red and green bell pepper, the onion, our chicken, which we'll just, you know, slice up on our own, or I'll slice it up really quick here, whatever. And then our grilled tortilla shells. Like I said, this is my absolute favorite meal. We'll probably pull out whatever salsa, taco sauce, sour cream that anybody wants out of the fridge, and we're gonna call it a day. Make sure you hop over to Domestic Diva's video that I linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.